The clock is relentless. Each second slips away. Are we already too late? Or can we still rewrite our ending? The human workforce is a living mosaic. Each carries a unique journey, all threads in the fabric of our shared purpose and collective history.
What if, in one blink, the world emptied? They were nowhere, and only silence remained.
By 2025, millions of jobs are gone. Generative AI is rewriting the rules of work, and the story isn't over. This technology doesn't just change how we work, it can decide if we work. We need to uphold dignity, purpose, and the future of human work, where AI works with us, not instead of us. Humans in the loop keep accountability, creativity, and empathy alive, turning AI into a partner, not a threat. Every leap in power carries its shadow, from breaches and deep fakes to bias and intellectual theft. Governance, compliance and security must be architected into every foundation from day one. Humans in the loop keep AI ethical and aligned with real-world context. Through reskill and upskill, transparency, and design for partnership. The future of work isn't man or machine. It's man and machine, by design. Ethical AI is not a luxury, it is our responsibility. In our hands lies the power to define what comes next. Let's shape the future of work, as one. Thank you for watching.